Unpopular opinion here, but I do not travel in sneakers. When I travel, I try to look as sophisticated and put together as possible while still being comfortable. This has gotten me many perks through the years, including access to a special security line, upgrades in class, and special seat upgrades. As the saying goes, they treat you as they see you. This outfit here, with sweater, blazer, shell, and very comfortable but polished yoga pants, will be my travel outfit next week. This is the outfit I traveled in yesterday. A simple black blazer, a striped tee, nice jeans with no rips, holes, or tears, and comfortable loafers. I'm certain this helped me get that seat upgrade for free yesterday. I have not yet worn this outfit on a plane, but it is my favorite for more casual travel. A simple white t-shirt, a nice cardigan in a neutral shade over it, a scarf, again jeans with no rips, holes, or tears, and comfortable loafers. And look how nicely the handbag pairs with my suitcase. This will likely be my travel outfit for next week. My general travel uniform is a blazer, a nice shirt underneath, jeans, and loafers. And this outfit here fits that bill, just a different color palette from what I wore yesterday. Longer flights require more comfort, and this outfit fits the bill. A long sleeve striped t-shirt, comfortable yet nice looking yoga pants. These are from Amazon, so they won't break the bank. These ballet flats are very comfortable for walking, and yes, I am wearing a slip sock underneath for security. And I can easily sleep on the airplane in this outfit, but still look classy. Classy yet casual. And here is another example of a very comfortable yet still sophisticated and polished travel outfit. It's the same yoga pants that I showed in the last outfit and the first outfit, just a different color combination. Again, classy yet casual. Bon voyage, until we meet again, my friends.